It's really nice.
Wait, what am I calling porridge? Am I calling porridge there?
I never know you were Aussie.
No, man, that's not right.
No, this time it's mine, not yours.
No, my
Come
calling
on,
porridge,
don't-
man. What's wrong with you? My calling porridge too.
Come
I
on.
need to have some calling porridge now.
Alright, that's it. Out of my porridge. Out of my porridge. Okay guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. Today I am going to cook plantain, oatmeal and cornmeal porridge. Oh wow. Okay, first I have 2 plantain, I have oatmeal, I have cornmeal, I have nutmeg, I have a pinch of salt, I have a tin of condensed milk, I have cinnamon spice and cinnamon stick, I have vanilla and almond and a big coconut. Okay, and I'm going to use coconut water to cook my porridge. Okay, come with me. Okay, I'm going to blend my coconut. Guys, my coconut water is ready. And I'm going to put my plantain in my coconut water. I'm going to cut it small. Okay, I'm going to put my in my blender. I do enough milk so I have some on the fire boiling, waiting on me. Okay, also just gonna add my cornmeal to my blender. Good. And my oatmeal and my cornmeal. Okay. Coconut water boiling with my cinnamon stick inside, so I'm gonna add my liquid to it now. Okay, remember, very thick. Good. You have to keep stir because it will get very thick and lumpy. You don't want your porridge too lumpy, okay? Look nice, wow. Okay, I'm gonna just make it simmer down, cover it and make it simmer down. Is it look nice? So nice, lovely. Okay, all right. Okay guys, this on the stove for around half an hour, so it's ready to put in my ingredients. Well, first I'm going to put 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and also 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Oh, 1/4 teaspoon of almond. Wow. And a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Good. All right. Let's stir this a little. Now I'm gonna add my milk. Oh yes. Ooh. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna taste and see if need anything else. I think I'm gonna just put all of my milk. It's a whole tin of milk. Got a lot of porridge. So I'm gonna finish it off with my everything here. Okay. Okay guys, this is my finished look. And today I'm not gonna call my husband. He's not here. So today is my day. Okay guys, today is my day, not my husband's day, because I love porridge. Okay? I will drink porridge for dinner, lunch, anytime. This is me. I love my porridge, I love my soup. You can also put your crackers here. Lovely. You know, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you all for watching. Bye. Delicious. It's really nice.
Wait, what my cornmeal porridge? My cornmeal porridge there.
I never know you were here.
No man, that's not right.
No, this time it's mine, not yours.
No, my cornmeal
Come on,
porridge, man. What's wrong with you? In my cornmeal porridge too. I need to have some cornmeal porridge now.
Alright, that's it. Out of my porridge. Out of my porridge.